Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. So today guys, we are going to be doing this beautiful hairstyle. It's a full frontal or ponytail. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also personalize the notification bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. So you want to go ahead and start by sectioning your hair exactly as I am doing. You're going to be tying your ponytail first, but I want to work in sections because my hair has a little bit of growth, so I decided to work in sections so that the ponytail can be slicked down. And also in this video I'm not going to be using a styling gel. I'm just going to be using a holding spray to achieve this look. So you want to go ahead and tie the first ponytail, and then you want to go ahead and take the sand hair holding spray, which is the holding spray that we use to install our hair. So it is as strong as a styling gel. And then you want to take your hair dryer and dry the hair. This is a quickest method if you are in a hurry and you want to do your ponytail or your bun or whatever hairstyle that requires styling gel. If you are in a rush, this is the quickest method that you can do. The only thing that I don't like about this method is that the ponytail doesn't last that long and it is quick to flake, you know what I mean, because it's a styling, it's a holding spray and not a styling gel. And also the holding spray doesn't firmly hold like the styling gel. But overall, if you're in a hurry, this is the way to go. And then you want to go ahead and take your full frontal and then customize it, plug it, because we are doing a ponytail, it needs to be very slick. So also your frontal closure, it needs to be slicked, it needs to be plugged so that it can be slick. And then you want to go ahead and cut the hard thing at the back of your closure so that when you tie your ponytail it doesn't get on the way. Also it doesn't make a bump when you tie it. So you want to go ahead and tint your lace using your tinting foundation. And then you want to go ahead and take your bundles. Oh my goodness, I love these bundles. The texture of this hair is amazing. I love it so much. And then you want to go ahead and take your glue and then apply the first layer and then go ahead and apply the second layer exactly as I am doing, and then you let it dry, and then you want to go ahead and cut out the lace of the closure exactly as I am doing, and then you stick it. When the glue is sticky, you stick it on your hair just like that. And then when you're done, you want to take your melting band and tie it and melt that closure. And then while you're melting the closure, you want to go ahead and tie the hair, joining it with your natural hair exactly as I am doing. So now trust the process. It looks wrong right now, but once it is well customized and well melted, it will stick. This was for me to get a guide as to where to go. And then I went ahead and sectioned out hair for edges, and then I continued to put the holding spray on the hair so that it slicks as well, blending it with my own hair. And then this is how it looks. Oh my goodness, I love it. And then you cut your edges, and then you do your edges using your edge control exactly as I am doing. And then when you're done doing your edges, you want to take your holding spray once again, and then you spray it over the lace and over the edges, and then you tie your melting band, remove your melting band, and then blend the lace with your skin using the skin foundation or the skin tint or whichever one you have. And then I am doing the ponytail now. I am using the easiest and quickest method of doing your ponytail, the one that I normally use, but this one is quicker because I only saw the beginning of the hair, and then I've rolled the hair weft around my bun like that, and I was not constantly sewing it in. I just rolled everything all at once, and then after that you are going to secure. And then when you reach the end of the weft, you make sure that you sew it in, and then you secure the ponytail exactly as I'm doing, so that it doesn't fall. I didn't want to do like a lot of volume, just wanted something very simple, you know what I mean. I wanted it to give natural vibes. And then I sectioned out some hair that I was gonna do the band with, and then I did that. Look at that. I love this ponytail so much, you guys. I know I've got a full hairline, but you know, a closure and your hairline doesn't do the same. The closure one just makes it more nicer. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also do personalize the notifications bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. I'm gonna see you in the next coming one. Please don't forget to also let me know your thoughts on the comment section. I'm gonna see you on the next coming one. Thank you so much for watching up until here. God bless you. Mwah.